Welcome back, my tubers. Today, what are we doing today? What's next on the list today? Today, we are going to attempt to swap out the springs in the Audi as well as doing a resonator delete. So that's the plan today. Stick with me. Let's go see how it turns out. So here we are, and it's hot. Summertime. Welcome back. Okay, there's parts. Got a resonator delete and springs. We're at Malthouse Motorworks, and we're about to get into this car and see if it all goes according to plan, which it usually never does when you're working on cars, as I'm sure you're aware. But let's have some fun. Let's see how it goes. Here we go. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Note to self, before buying anything else that needs to go under the car, look under the car first and make sure it hasn't already been done. Well, guess what? That is a resonator delete. That's already on the fucking car. So, guess we'll have to send the other one back to ECS. One down, 3 to go. Stay. Well, Mr. Malthouse at Malthouse Motorworks has now got the brakes in, or the springs in the back. So far, so good. We got one left. Well, I say we.
Yeah, I like we. It's good.
I'm leaving it to the professional. One to go. Last one. And I can honestly say I've been a successful cheerleader for Robert at Malthouse Motorworks, because he's smiling. See, he's smiling. We're almost there. Can't wait to see what it looks like when it's on the floor. Still gotta get that out from underneath the car before we really see how low it is. So there we have it. Springs are in. Probably gonna settle a little bit more. But I am digging that ride height. Looks great. Oh, that's sitting pretty.
Could be worse.
Thank you to Robert at Malthouse Motorworks for getting this done and getting me squeezed in. Oh, feel much better now. I gotta go find an alignment.